There are several common mistakes that police officers can make when administering the standardized field sobriety tests, which include the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the walk-in-turn test, and the one-leg stand test. The HGN test. Not administering the test under the correct conditions, such as poor lighting or the presence of bright lights or glare. These distractions can impact a person's ability to properly follow an object with their eyes. The WAT test. Not providing clear and specific instructions on how to perform the test or not allowing the suspect to practice the instructions. Also, with this test, having a clearly identifiable straight line on an even surface is imperative. The OLS test. Not providing clear and specific instructions on how to perform the test or not allowing the suspect to practice the instructions. Some common errors are not allowing the driver to use their arms for balance and having them perform the test in boots or heels. The breath test. Not administering the test according to NHTSA guidelines. One common error is not properly observing the suspect for the required 20 minutes before the test to make sure they don't burp, vomit or regurgitate, which would have affected the test's accuracy. Also, the results can be suppressed if the machine is not properly calibrated or the administering officer's certifications are not up to date. It's important to note that the SFSTs are not perfect and can be affected by various factors. The big takeaway from this video is to remember that the tests are standardized, so if an officer deviates from required procedures, the tests are invalid and unreliable. An experienced DUI attorney can evaluate the officer's administration of the SFSTs and use any mistakes or inconsistencies to challenge the officer's findings and the prosecution's case in court.